Hey there, thinking about your next steps after GCSEs? Let us introduce you to T-Levels, the exciting new way to combine classroom learning with real-world experience right here at South Bank Colleges. T-Levels are brand new qualifications designed with your future in mind. They're equivalent to 3 A-levels and focus on giving you the skills employers need in industries like construction, healthcare, digital, and more. Here's what makes T-Levels so special. Alongside classroom learning, you'll spend 20% of your course, that's about 45 days, gaining hands-on experience with a real employer. It's like getting a head start in your career while you're still in college. You'll learn from industry experts, work on practical projects, and build the skills you need to succeed, whether that's stepping straight into a job or continuing on to university. Yes, T-Levels are UCAS recognized. You can choose T-Levels because you want to get real experience while you learn. Working with professionals will show you exactly what it's like to be part of the industry. And at South Bank Colleges, we're here to support you every step of the way. From helping you choose the right course to securing your work placement, we'll make sure you're set up for success. Ready to take the next step toward your future? Check out our T-Levels at South Bank Colleges and discover how you can turn your dreams into reality. Apply today and start building your future with us.
In the halls of South Bank shine, we're dreaming.